Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the update number 3 of building the $5,000 per month business with Instagram Faceless theme page. So let's take a look at the results. Alright. So this is when I first started, which had like 210 posts or something, 85 followers. I removed my old post, like very old post. You will know more about it if you watch my previous couple of videos. So go ahead and watch that if you didn't. Now this was on 12th September, the second week, and about 105 followers in total, and now it is 20th September. Let me just remove that, right? 20th September, and right now I have about 35 total reels, okay, and 115 followers. So that means if you compare these two, like, let me just minimize it a little bit, right? 20 followers, and I actually got additional 10 followers the previous week, so total about 30 followers, right? 20,000 accounts reached compared to the 8,900 accounts reached. Pretty good. 31,000 views, as you can see right here, and more stats. Let me just show you. But before that, please do not follow this page, right? My page is Millionaire Tribe here, right? You can go ahead on Instagram and watch what I'm doing, the kind of content that I'm doing, very simple stuff. Okay, but please do not follow because it will, mess up my stats, and I do not want any YouTube, or any subscribers that comes from YouTube or any of the sources other than Instagram. Okay, so this is the growth 2nd to 20th September overall. So you can see I have reached about 31,000 views overall on my content, right? These are my popular ones, and you can see, right, top city is New York, Sydney, like USA and Australia, and then Mumbai, Bangalore, that is India, right? If you can see, USA top country 30%, India 8%, Canada, UK, which is a pretty good stats in my opinion. This will really affect the revenue that you will be able to make doing shout outs and such. Now let me minimize that, and let's go down here. So this is my growth strategy, right? If you take a look at here, right, I am using other people's proven content and I'm recreating it with my theme, right? If you want to see that, you can see this is my content right here, all of my content, and I'm using a theme like a blue color right here, right? How to make $1 billion in a day. That's a blue theme here. My captions are blue and white, mix of them. My logo is something like that. I'm starting to add, new highlights and such. In the previous video, it wasn't there. Now it is there, right? I'm just documenting my stuff right here. So it will serve me as a proof, like for if I want to take on some clients and such in future. And if you actually want to see some more insights, then let me go ahead here. So about 32,000 views, you already saw that, and accounts reached 21,000 accounts reached. So pretty good, and you can see everything in there. And these are all the timings that you need to post. So once you reach a certain view threshold, Instagram will give you these stats where most of your viewers are active, and I can now simply post on this time on respective days and see how it goes. Okay, let's go back. So I find content from Instagram itself, 1, 2 is YouTube, and then there is TikTok. All right, I actually found a couple of reels from YouTube now, and I will be posting it on this week, so I will let you know how that goes on the next update. And my strategy is simple: post 2 reels a day. It takes about 2 hours to do this, right? Research included, very simple editing and such. And no follow unfollow. So I'm not doing any follow unfollow method that a lot of people are doing. It will hurt your account. If you're doing that, please don't. Now let's go down below and see the monetization strategy. I already explained this, but I will just go through it fast. So it's simple: shout outs, that is influencer will pay me, a brand will pay me to shout their channel out. Create an ad post on my Instagram page. That is what shout out means. And I can promote affiliate offers, digital products, and newsletters like Beehive. Already explained that. So post content, Faceless, which I'm doing right now, growing followers, doing right now. Followers to build my list, I will do it soon. And then I will sell digital affiliate offers to my email list. Okay. And my ultimate goal is have 100,000 followers. And I will create this series until I reach 100,000 followers. And I will reveal if I'm making any money at all. Okay, till I reach 100k followers, I can still monetize with affiliate digital products. Now I will do that after I reach 5,000 followers. Maybe I will do it on 3,000 followers. Well, let's see. So yeah, that's about it for the update. Let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestions, improvements, or if you have any questions. All right, I will see you in the next one. Cheers.